Hey guys, today I'm going to unbox this Amazon Echo Dot, and I bought this for 4500 today. And so let's see what's inside the box. Let me peel this off first. Ooh, as soon as you open the box, you can see the device itself, and it has a small sticker over it. So let me unwrap it. Okay, so looking at the device, you can see it has a volume up and down buttons, mic disable button, and I don't know what the heck this is. So it has a nice feel to it, and it looks expensive, it feels expensive. So you can see it has a headphone jack and 3.5 mm jack and a power cable, so that you can plug your external speaker to it. Moving on into the box, let's see what else is inside the box. Information booklet, just a small information on the different buttons and ports available in the Amazon Echo Dot, and it also informs you about the Alexa app over here, and also it shows that you could connect an external speaker. Some more information booklets, things to try. You have a small card over here, it shows you what are the things you should try. So that's it guys, you just have the device itself, a power brick over here, and a few commands. So that's all for the unboxing guys. Thank you for watching the video.